Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, Pakistan School Salala says you welcome for your General Science Week 10 lesson of grade 7. And we have to see unit number 5, Fit and Healthy by Mrs. Aram Shahid. Dear students, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain how to keep your body fit and healthy. Already you in your previous video lessons you have achieved the target of learning of drugs, smoking and its harmful effects, useful and harmful drugs, and also you have studied balanced diet and nutrition disorders. Now there are certain tips in this lesson that you will be understanding about how generally we can keep body fit and healthy. Dear students, to be fit and healthy, we have to do some important changes in our lifestyle, or you can say we have to go for our proper health. We have to maintain our lifestyle as possible as in our control, as we must eat our diet that could be varied and that could be in proper amount and that could be on time, and our daily routine like our sleeping hours, playing hours or exercise hours, reading hours, they should be maintained in proper timing and proper way. So if we are not going to follow these certain rules, or we don't know what are the major groups we are going to take as a food, how much amount we have to take our food, so we will not be able to maintain our health as possible, as fit as we want. So dear students, to be fit and healthy, we have to do something, you can say we have to make our lifestyle in a very organized way. Dear students, it does not mean that you have to be a super athlete. So you do not have to be a super athlete or go to the gym every day to be fit and healthy. Only you need to organize your timings of eating, your timings of sleeping, your timings of exercise. So all these would be, if in proper time and proper organized way, then you can keep yourself fit and healthy. Dear students, as you can see here that some few simple things that you can do to keep yourself fit and healthy. There are certain tips, as you can see. So first of all, what you have to do is cut down fried food. As you know that there are variety of fried food available in the market, or we can also make them at our home. So we have to take all these food in proper amount. So if we want to keep ourselves healthy, we have to cut down the fried food. Only we need whenever in proper amount we have to take them. Use vegetable oils or cooking instead of animal fat. Animal fat also is difficult to digest because it is saturated fat, and you know it can cause different problems in our body like cholesterol deposition in our heart coronary arteries, and causing problem in the heart, and having we can suffer heart diseases like that. So we have to use vegetable oils for cooking instead of animal fat, as cooking oil, they are lighter and they are easily digestible, and they makes our body healthy. So whenever we are going to fry or cook our food, we have to be using vegetable oils instead of animal fat. We are going to reduce, dear students, fried food from our diet, so we need what we need: boiling or grilling food instead of frying. So you can see that if we are going to boil this frying this chicken, we are using a lot of amount of oil over there. That is not good for our health. So if we are using this chicken in the form of grill or in the boiled form like these vegetables also, so they can keep us healthy, and we also can reduce the amount of oil or fats that are going to deposit in our body, and that are going to reduce chances of getting disease in our body, and we can be fit and healthy. So next other important tip to be fit and healthy, to keep our body fit and healthy, is eat less red meat. So red meat, as you can see, is the source from mutton or beef, so we have to take them in less amount. Poultry and fish are better because they contain less fat. So we have to be particular about taking food that have got less fat, right? So instead of having a lot of red meat, we must go for the poultry, and we must go for the fish that contains less amount of fat. And for if we are going to reduce fat and avoiding fried food, and instead we are taking boiled and grilled food, beside this we also have to go for keeping our body healthy. We have to use less fatty dairy foods such as butter and cream. As butter and cream, they are important for our diet, but we have to take their less amount, and we have to select those dairy items which contains less fats in them. So to keep ourselves healthy, it is very important that we have to eat more fresh fruits and vegetables. Vegetables and fruits should be of our diet on regular basis. Fruits keep us healthy along with vegetables, and they are going to maintain our body, giving proper diet as a food. Fruits and vegetables can keep our body healthy, so we can get vitamins, we can get carbohydrates, we can get different important food minerals from these fruit and vegetables, so that can avoid us diseases in our body, and that can be a part of our varied and proper balanced diet. So we need to be healthy by taking fruits and vegetables more quantity in our food. So to be fit and healthy, dear students, we need to avoid smoking, as it increases blood pressure, and it also gives us lung cancer and many respiratory tract diseases that already we have learned in our previous video. So avoid smoking so that we can avoid our blood pressure to be increased amount. So to keep our blood pressure constant, we need to be doing exercise, and we need to avoid such kind of drugs also. And next, proper to be fit and healthy, we also have to relax and avoid stressful situations. So we have to lead our life that would be an organized life. So if we are doing our work on time, we are learning our lessons daily as your student said, you will not be having such kind of stressful situations on an exam day. So you have to keep your work daily basis, learn your work, do your homework, okay, so that you can avoid such kind of stressful situations. And also you have to maintain your sleeping hours also, so again then you can avoid these stressful situations, and that can definitely keep you healthy and fit. As you are being selective about your food items and its amount, beside this you need also a proper regular exercise. So to keep fit and healthy, you have to exercise regularly. Walking briskly for about 20 minutes takes about the same amount of energy as 50-minute bike ride or a medium level of work out at the gym, right? So you have to keep your walking hours and your regularly exercise that can make you fit and healthy. So one more important advantage of walking is that it moves more oxygen into the brain and triggers the release of chemicals called endorphins. These chemicals are chemicals of happiness, you can say, that can make you fresh and that can help you to avoid stressful situations, so that you cannot have any problem, any disorder in your body if you keep yourself happy. So if you are working on time, you are taking varied diet, you are taking balanced diet, so and you are following all the tips that you have studied today, you can be also happy, feel happy, right? So you need to walk daily. Like 20 minutes walk can help you to move your oxygen into the brain, and that can easily flow in the bloodstream, and that can make you healthy and fit. Together, these can help to lower anxiety, increase the feeling of well being, and leave you more relaxed. So, dear students, for keeping yourself fit and healthy, you have to follow these certain tips that are being introduced to you, and they are given to you in your lesson. So, you have to follow them to make your life organized, happy, and healthy. So stay healthy, take care of yourself. Life is very important for you. It is once blessed to you, and you have to take care it a lot. Thank you very much.